Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a better quality video with a simple coloring on CapCut. So first, just prepare the clips that you want to edit and then go to adjust and use this settings. So for the brightness, just lower it to -5 and the contrast increase it to 10. Saturation -5, and then click on a sharpen and increase it to around 60. Okay, now click on the HSL. On the red color here, set the hue to 100. Okay, now go back and click on the shadow and lower it to -5, and you are done, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on a thanks, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.